Alright, I'm going to show you guys how fast it is to install a 124C Przm fader in your brand new Newmar PT01 scratch. Match the top. Take the thing off there. Move that off. And we have the two screws here. We're basically just going to unscrew that. Get the scratch switch out. We're going to pull this out. You're going to see that little plug there. Disconnect it. Take your Przm fader. You're going to connect it. Set it up here. Take your screws. I also include 2 nylon screws that you can use. But when you do screw this in, just make sure that you don't over tighten it. You know, just nice and snug. Go. Get your 124C slip mat there. Turn it on. See the light up here. Lights up. This is the green. Bam. You are good to go. Alright, so I wanted to show you the difference between the Przm fader and the scratch switch that comes stock with your PT01 scratch. So as you can see, the scratch switch is essentially just a toggle switch, so it rocks from side to side. The difference here is with the Przm fader, it is a non-contact bar assisted fader. So if you look inside here, you can see there's one bar and then there's the other bar. You can also use the light as a teaching tool. So when the light comes on, the sound comes on. And you wanted to do 3 stabs, you would go stab, 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 and the light would come on. So stab, stab, stab. And again, it's a nice linear, nice and smooth, left to right feel.